Time to feed the duckies some snacky snacks. And look who's coming over. They want the snacky snacks too. Let's see if I can throw them some. Well, that wasn't a very good throw. Oh. They're finding it. There we go. Let's see. 3, 6, 7, 8. Oh. Look at the edge of the pond. It's a turtle. Oh my goodness. How cute is that? Let's see if I can get him some food. There he goes. How adorable was that? I see Gibby across the pond. He's not going to visit today. Doesn't look like he is. So 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then Gibby's 10. So I've got to check on the other two to make sure everybody's still accounted for. Then all the geese across the pond. It's hard to zoom in without it making the video blurry, but all right. Well, I think that's enough for tonight. If Gibby shows up, I'll have to come out here just for him. All right, see you later, everybody. See you later, pretty birds. Oh, look at the turtle. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that is so rude. Birds are so rude sometimes. They did not want to share. We got another little Frank on our hands, apparently. My goodness. I'll have to get extra food for the turtles next time. Oh, yep, I see another one. Oh no, they're making me feel so guilty. I'll have to come out here with extra snacks tomorrow then. All right, see you later, everybody.